Hey carpet cleaners, John here. This is part one of a three-part series where I'm reviewing the top Facebook groups for carpet cleaners right now. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us one-on-one inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. Part one, which are the best Facebook groups for carpet cleaners right now. Let's talk about Facebook groups and all that cool stuff. So we've all heard of like truck mount forums. That's probably like the most famous Facebook group and most famous kind of like forum for the carpet cleaning industry. Most of us are a part of it or are in it. So I wanted to see like what else is out there in terms of like online communities, in terms of Facebook groups for carpet cleaners, and kind of have a look at some of the smaller ones, some of the other big ones, take a look what's out there, what other support networks are out there. Many of you may already be part of these groups that you're going to see in these videos. Maybe there's some of you that weren't aware that these people existed, or these forums, these Facebook groups existed. And so maybe by me showing you, it's opening up a door to a new community for you. So I think there's definitely some value in me doing this video and talking about the pros and the cons of each one, if you like. So the first one that I want to look at is Mason's Network. This is another pretty big one. There's 9,000 members. I've been a member of it for quite a while. What can I say about it? It's a really friendly community. Quite often with a lot of these like online communities and Facebook groups, you know, there's egos involved, there's arguments and conflicts that can kick off and things can happen. And, you know, sometimes those environments can not necessarily be the best place, you know, where you've got a lot of people putting other people down, a lot of disagreements and a lot of people thinking they're better than other people and all that kind of stuff. And it can end up being a bit nasty, right? What I can tell you about Mason's Network is that it's not like that at all. It's super friendly. In the time that I've been part of this group, not that I've contributed to it particularly, I'm part of it as a marketing agency that specializes in carpet cleaning. I kind of watch it from the sidelines, you know, but it's important that I am part of these communities as a provider of services to a large number of these people. But what I can say from watching it from the sidelines is that the vibe here is like really, really good, super friendly. I've rarely seen, if at all, any kind of arguments or conflicts kick off inside this community. And yeah, you know, I can also say that it's really well engaged. You know, this has got 9 comments, 25 likes. This has got 88 comments on it. And there's many, many more posts and stuff, a wide range of topics, things that are covered. So if you do have questions, things like that, because it's really well engaged and it's got a large number of people, you are going to get answers to your questions and help and support. The admin of this group is a guy called Mason, who I believe is a real influential figure in the industry. I'm sure many of you have heard him. So yeah, if you're not part of Mason's Network, I fully recommend it. Hit it up, hit the join button. The URL is facebook.com/groups/Mason's Network. You'll find it that way, and hit that join button. I highly, highly recommend it. And the other thing as well that I wanted to say is I'm aware of it now, and I was told about it a few years ago. Probably everybody watching this is also aware of it, but just in case, I don't know if you know this, but if you've got a question about a specific topic around carpet cleaning or whatever, right? When you're in these communities, when you're in these Facebook groups, if you hit that magnifying glass button, that search button right there next to those 3 dots, you know, let's say you want to search about tile cleaning. If you write tile cleaning in that search, it will come up with every post ever about tile cleaning inside this Facebook group. How cool is that? So pretty much, like, I guarantee you, a community like this that's been around for years, it's got like 9,000 members. Whatever questions that you've got, whether it's about marketing, advertising, carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, the techniques, the chemicals, accounting, pricing, customers, getting reviews, whatever it is, I'm pretty sure in any of these Facebook groups, if you hit that magnifying button right there and type in what you're looking for, you'll find a whole treasure trove of like information. So do make use of that if you're not. A lot of us, me included, use the Facebook app on our cell phones. You can also find that search there inside website, each and every single group. So do check that out. So that's Mason's Network. Gets a big thumbs up from me, gets a big 5 out of 5. So I hope that you enjoyed this 3-part series. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified of when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, do head down to the description where you'll find the necessary links to book a call with us. Cheers.